Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Gate Academy. Here is an update for you dear students from UPPSC AE, right? Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission, they are going to recruit for the AE post. Let's check it out, the detailed advertisement. So here we can see Uttar Pradesh Public Service Commission. Okay, this advertisement has been released on the 17th December and last date for applying is the 17th January. Last date of receipt of examination fee in the bank and submission of online application will be 17th January 2025. Okay. Last date for the fee if you want to go for any correction in the modification in the online application form, then that will be 24th January. Let's check it out the details here. So first of all, they mention here that it is mandatory for the candidate to make one-time registration and obtain OTR number before applying. How you can get the OTR number here on this official website? You need to register and you can get the OTR number. Okay. Then here they are going to recruit for the AE post. Okay, assistant engineer post, and in that one the recruitment will be based on the exam. They are having the exam. Okay, state PSU. So it's mentioned clearly, it is clarified to the candidate that at the stage of preliminary exam the hard copy of the documents and online application should not be sent to the commission. They mention here some instructions also, please check it out. This is important instruction, as then they are having some special notice also. Okay, how to apply online, they mention this steps. Okay, every stage is mentioned here, you need to check it out. Okay, and even they mention number of vacancies also here. So if I'm coming to I'm coming to here. Yeah. Okay, let's start from the first point only now. So here the very first point is just it's not scrolling. Yeah, it's scrolling. Okay, so first is important information for the candidates applying online. This advertisement is available on the website of the commission, which is uppsc.up.nsc.in. In OTR based application system is applicable. As I told you, OTR you need to generate first of all and then you can apply. So this is the official website, you can go and you can check it out. Okay, view instruction, view advertisement and apply. So you can just follow whatever you want to go. Then the OTR will be completed in the 4 stages. They mention here the 4 stages, 1, 2, okay, 3, and this is the second stage, this is the third stage. Okay, in the third stage, it's mentioned after the completion of the procedure of second stage, fee confirmation window will automatically be displayed on the screen, under which upon you need to click and you need to pay the okay, payment mode will be open for you. All right, and it is mandatory to make payment in the online application process by the candidate till the last date and time fixed for it. Okay, candidate should take a printout of the same and keep it safe, and they are having the fourth stage. So these are the 4 stages for applying. All right, they mention some special instructions also. Now let's come to here, they mention here in the Hindi and English both, reservation also, number of schemes. I'm coming to that one. Okay. Okay, these are 8-9 special instruction. Now let's come to the application fees. Application fees after completing the process of first and the second stage. In the application process, you will have here online application process. Okay, you need to pay for the unreserved and economical category examination fees 100 rupees plus online processing fee rupees 25. The total is 125. For SC/ST, okay, 40 rupees plus 25, so means 65 rupees. PWBD, okay, they are having 25 rupees. Ex servicemen 40 plus 25, 65 rupees. Okay, so this is the fees which you need to pay. And now here the important thing is the UP Public Service Commission shall hold preliminary exam at the various center for the selecting suitable candidates for admission to the combined state engineering service main exam. Okay, the main exam shall be conducted separately by the commission. The selection will be made on the basis of total marks obtained by the candidate in the main exam and the interview. So first you need to appear with the pre. If you will clear the pre, then you will appear with the mains, and then the final interview will be there. Okay, all right, and here number of vacancies they mention here. Presently the number of vacancies is 604. General recruitment 582, special recruitment 22. Okay, that mention the details also. Reservation is here, yes. So reservation for the SC of UP, that they mention reservation rule, please check it out, because this recruitment is of the specifically for the UPPSC now. So the reservation you can avail only if you are having a UP domicile, but you can apply, every all over India students can apply here. Okay, now let's come to the next thing here. So condition of eligibility, in case of you can see the condition of eligibility. Now I'm talking about the details of the post. So name of the post: assistant engineer, mechanical, irrigation and water resource department. What is requirement? You should have a BTech degree. Okay, okay, and then this is to compulsory, and this is, if you are having, then it will be good. So if you are having some army experience, so this is not compulsory, but this is the compulsory. Anivari and Adhimani they mention here. Then second is assistant engineer civil, UP Jal Nigam ruler. Okay, BTech in civil is required. And then acha, had they mentioned? No, the number of vacancies here not mentioned, but category wise: assistant engineer electrical mechanical, UP Jal Nigam ruler. Okay, then assistant engineer civil ruler engineering, civil engineering department. Okay, and here essential and preferable. So essential degree in the BTech you required in the civil, fully qualified associate member having passed section A and B of the Institution of Engineers in the civil engineering. Okay, and the preferable they mention here: assistant engineer electrical mechanical housing and urban development, then assistant engineering civil. So I can see this is majorly for the mechanical, civil and electrical. Okay, civil is major, you can see here. And again more vacancies they mention, just like this one, this one: assistant engineer civil in the medical health and family welfare department, assistant engineer civil in the irrigation and water resources, assistant director also required. Agriculture, BTech in agriculture students are also eligible here. Okay, and they mention about the age limit also. So age limit is candidate must have attended the age of 21 year and not more than 40. So age limit is 21 to 40 years as on the July 1, 2024. Okay, relaxation is there, you can see, check it out the details. All right, so here more details are mentioned, as this is the written test and then the pre-written test, then you will select it, and then the final it means the mains and then the interview. Okay, so this is the 8 pages PDF. You can check it out. They mention at the last syllabus also. Okay, and here if I will go here in this one, we can see the paper pattern, even they included the syllabus also. So if I will go to this segment, I can see the syllabus on here, the examination scheme. Yeah, okay, they are having here the Pathyagram, means the syllabus. All right, they mention here for the general science, then the engineering aptitude, general Hindi is also there, engineering aptitude, general principle of design. They mention here all these things should be there in the general engineering aptitude. Okay, and this is for the second stage mains, and this is for the pre-exam. Okay, this is for the pre-exam. They mention Pratham Charan, means pre-exams. This syllabus is there. In that one, you can see number of question will be MCQ, number of questions 150, including general science of 25. Okay, general Hindi of 25 and engineering aptitude 100 questions. Total marks 300. Total duration 2 hours. Okay, they mentioned the syllabus, and for the mains also they mentioned the syllabus. You can check it out here category wise, branch wise they mentioned the syllabus. So overall we can see one very important update ki last date, if you want to apply here dear students, you can apply here before the 17th January 2025. All right guys, thank you, stay connected to I Must Gate Academy YouTube channel for more such type of updates.